We'll see how to buy the SpaceX shares in IPO through Wealthsimple account. And for this, you have Wealthsimple account, trading account, and you have cash in the account. To buy shares, you must have cash in account. And once you have these two and you are not affiliated to any financial institution, in that case, once you have subscribed to the IPO access, you will get an email like this. And once you click on view IPO center in the upcoming IPO section, this is where SpaceX is, and all the IPO which is upcoming or recently launched, everything you can see here. So once you click on SpaceX ticker symbol here, and you will come to this page. The price range is given right now. It says $135 and May 20th initial filing, prospect filed. You can read the prospect here. The price range right now it shows $135 and request window ends. Final date for interest request is 11th of June. So you can see the timelines written here for all of it, and expected is June 12, which is the IPO day. So once you've gone through this, request shares, read the fine print, click here, click next. Here, as I said, you need to have the cash in your account, the trading account. And once you have cash, you can enter the share what you're looking for. Say I'm entering 10 and it shows what the value is, and it will only show up like this when you have sufficient fund in account. If you don't have fund, the very moment say I make this 100, it will show up something like this. So you need to have fund in your account. Once you have entered the shares, click next, and then you review the request and click on submit request. You have done your part. Now you wait for the IPO to issue, and it is not 100% confirmed. If you're lucky, you will get the shares in the IPO.